Good day, sir. I am Jemda Nicole Manalo from BSMT3 Betelgeuse. So, for this video, I will be discussing my final examination answer. So, we have our task 1 definition. So, squat effect. When a ship moves through the shallow water, some of the water displays rushes under the vessel to rise again at the stern. This decreases the upward pressure on the hull, making the ship sink deeper in the water than normal and slowing the vessel. This is known as a squat effect, which increases with the speed of the vessel. So we have number 2, advance. Advance is the distance traveled by a ship center of the gravity in original direction and navigation and measure from a point where the helm was applied. Number 3, track reach. Track reach is the total distance traveled along the actual path followed by the ship. An idea of distance travel and time taken can be achieved by studying the following cases. So we have number 4, bank sanction. Bank sanction is the ship moved bodily towards the bank, which appears at the stern. So number 5 is tactical diameter. Tactical diameter is the lateral distance as above, if measured while the ship head is 180 from original heading. So number 6, head reach is the total distance traveled in the original direction. So transfer, number 7, transfer is the lateral distance of the center of the gravity from original cause. Line of it is the effective distance traveled by the center of the gravity of the ship head is 180 from original heading. We have number 8, bow caution. When the ship is near to the bank, the water force between the narrowing gap between the ship bow and the bank. This water tends to file up the starboard side of the ship, causing the ship to shear away from the bank. So we have number 9, block coefficient. Block coefficient is the ratio of the emerged volume of the ship relating to the water line length, breadth, and draft, directly proportional. So number 10, we have ship handling and maneuvering. Is depend as the art of the proper control of the ship while underway, especially in the harbors around docks and piers. So for task 2, we have enumeration. 1 to 7. What are the internal factors or forces under the control of the ship handler affecting ship handling? So we have number 1, engine power. Number 2, speed. Number 3, effect of the type of propeller. Number 4, rudder movement and type. Number 5, we have thrusters. Number 6, we have anchors and mooring lines. For number 7, we have tugboats. For 8 to 12, what are the other variable factor affecting ship handling? So we have human factor, sudden breakdown or failure of ship's equipment. Number 10, mode of communication, failure from bridge to engine room or vice versa, or to the fore and aft stations. We have number 11, language problem between nationalities. Number 12, ship momentum. For our 13 to 17, what are the external factor or forces affecting ship handling? We have tide, a sudden change in wind velocity and direction or gust, set and drift, the proximity of other vessel, the depth of harbors. So for our 18 to 20, what are the 3 basic ship movements? We have longitudinal motion, forward or astern. We have 19, lateral motion or sideways. 20, we have rotational or turning motion. We have 21 to 28. What are the effect of the bow cushion and bank sanction? So for 21 occurs in the narrow channel near proximities of banks. 22, there is a tendency for the bow of a ship to be pushed away from the bank. That's called bow cushion. The ship moves bodily towards the bank, which appear at the stern, called bank sanction, caused by restricted flow of the water on the bank side. Number 25, the velocity of the water to the bank increases, the pressure reduces. Number 26, we have the result in the drop of the water level towards the bank. Number 27, we have as the result, a thrust is a got up towards the bank. Number 28, we have a vessel approaching the bank will have apply helm to the bank and reduce speed to prevent the shear from developing. We have 29 to 32. What are the factors governing the ship squat? We have a ship's speed, depth of water, block coefficient, and blockage factor. For our 36 to 37, what are the parts of turning of a ship? We have advance, transfer, tactical diameter, drift angle, pivot, or point. For our 39 to 40, what are the three phases turning circle may be segregated into? We have phase number 1. This is when the rudder force is first applied, wrist and ship is originally surging in a definite straight line without a way. For 39, we have phase number 2. In this phase, the ship is about to make a complete 90-degree change of heading from its initial path of heading. We have phase number 3. As the rudder is keep a constant deflection, the ship continues to trace a circle. For our task 3, we have our illustration, which is the turning circle of the ship and its complete parts. So we have tactical diameter, the distance, the transfer, the 90-degree change of heading, and 180-degree change of heading, and the turning ratios, also the path of midship and point, and our drift angle, and also our advance, and the rudder execute, and our approach course and distance. That's all, sir.